AI isn't the future anymore. It's already in your hands. In 2025, smart devices are faster, more personal, and more powerful than ever before. From AI gadgets that think for you, learn your habits, and simplify daily life, to futuristic tools that feel straight out of a sci-fi movie, these innovations are changing how we live and work. In this video, we're counting down the best smart AI devices you can buy right now in 2025. Devices that are truly worth your money. Let's dive in. The Lefo cooking robot feels like a glimpse into the future of everyday cooking, designed for people who love good food but don't always have the time or energy to prepare it. In a fast-paced routine where long work hours and busy schedules make cooking feel like a chore, Lefo steps in as a smart kitchen companion that takes the pressure off. This intelligent robot can handle multiple cooking tasks on its own, from chopping and stirring to controlling temperature and timing with impressive precision. What really makes it stand out is how simple it is to use. Just select a recipe, add the ingredients, and let the robot do the rest while you relax or focus on other things. The results are consistently flavorful meals, cooked evenly and professionally without the guesswork. Lefo also brings a modern touch to the kitchen with its sleek design and smart interface, making it feel less like a machine and more like a helpful assistant. For beginners, it removes the fear of making mistakes, and for experienced cooks, it saves valuable time. Overall, the Lefo cooking robot isn't just about convenience. It's about transforming cooking into a stress-free, enjoyable experience and showing how smart technology can truly improve everyday life. Hyundai-MobED is a fresh take on how robots could move through our everyday world, and it feels like a glimpse into the future. Unlike traditional robots that rely on legs or tracks, MobED uses 4 large air-filled wheels paired with advanced suspension and steering systems. This smart design allows it to stay balanced on uneven roads, climb small obstacles, and even adjust its body height and tilt while moving. What really makes MobED stand out is its smooth and stable motion, which is powered by precise electric motors and real-time control software. MobED isn't just built to look futuristic, it's designed to be useful. Hyundai imagines it working as a delivery robot, a mobile service platform, or even a base for cameras and sensors in smart cities. Its compact size lets it move easily through tight spaces, while its strong balance system keeps equipment steady on top, even when the ground gets rough. Because it's electric, MobED runs quietly and produces 0 emissions, making it ideal for urban environments. In simple terms, Hyundai-MobED shows how mobility and robotics can blend together in exciting ways. It's not just a robot on wheels. It's a flexible platform that could change how we transport goods, gather data, and interact with smart technology in the near future. The Agari-AI K1 is changing the way people think about home workouts by turning any room into a smart personal gym. At first glance, it looks like a sleek, modern mirror, but once it powers on, it becomes a full-body training partner. The K1 combines AI technology, motion tracking, and guided workouts to help users train smarter, not harder. Whether you're doing strength training, yoga, cardio, or stretching, the system watches your movements in real time and gives instant feedback to correct your posture and form. This makes workouts safer and more effective, especially for beginners who don't have a personal trainer. The interactive display shows virtual coaches, workout stats, and progress tracking, keeping motivation high every day. What really stands out is how natural it feels. No bulky machines, no crowded gyms, just a clean setup that fits perfectly into modern homes. The Agari K1 adapts to different fitness levels, making it suitable for everyone from beginners to advanced athletes. For people who struggle with consistency, this smart mirror turns exercise into an engaging experience rather than a chore. In a world where time and space are limited, the Agari K1 proves that powerful fitness technology can be simple, stylish, and truly personal. The Ugreen Uno Nexode is a small device that quietly changes the way we think about charging. At first glance, it looks simple, but once you use it, the difference becomes clear. Designed with modern fast-charging technology, the Uno Nexode delivers powerful performance in a compact body, making it perfect for people who are always on the move. Whether you're charging a smartphone, tablet, or even a laptop. It handles the job smoothly without overheating or slowing down. What really makes the Ugreen Uno Nexode stand out is its smart power management. It automatically detects your device and delivers the right amount of power, keeping your gadgets safe while charging them faster than standard adapters. Thanks to GAN technology, it stays cool and efficient even during heavy use. This means less waiting time and more productivity in your day. Another big advantage is its travel-friendly design. Lightweight and compact, it easily fits into a pocket or backpack, making it a great companion for work, travel, or daily use. The build quality feels solid, showing Ugreen's focus on durability and reliability. In a world full of charging adapters, the Ugreen Uno Nexode proves that smart design and powerful performance can come together. It's not just a charger, it's a practical upgrade for your everyday tech life. Meet the LOOI robot, Space Black, a small but smart companion that brings a fun, futuristic touch to your desk or home. At first glance, its sleek space black design instantly stands out, giving it a modern, high-tech look that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. But LOOI isn't just about looks. This little robot is designed to interact, assist, and entertain in a way that feels surprisingly human. Powered by AI and connected to your smartphone, LOOI can recognize faces, respond to voice commands, and follow movements, making every interaction feel personal and engaging. What truly makes the LOOI robot special is how it blends technology with emotion. It reacts with expressive movements, playful gestures, and friendly sounds that give it a unique personality. Whether it's greeting you when you sit down, reacting to your mood, or simply rolling around to explore its surroundings, LOOI adds life to your everyday routine. It can also act as a smart assistant, helping with basic tasks and reminders, or even acting as a fun desk companion during work or study sessions. Overall, the LOOI robot, Space Black, is more than just a gadget. It's a charming tech companion that turns ordinary moments into interactive experiences, making it perfect for tech lovers, creators, and anyone who enjoys a little futuristic fun. Cooking at home is getting a serious upgrade with the Agari-AI-Smart-Cooker, a device designed to make everyday meals easier, faster, and smarter. Instead of guessing temperatures or timing, this smart cooker uses built-in AI to automatically adjust heat and cooking duration based on what you're making. Whether it's rice, curry, soup, or slow-cooked dishes, Agari takes care of the hard part while you focus on other tasks. What makes the Agari-AI Smart Cooker stand out is its intelligent learning system. Over time, it understands your cooking habits and preferences, helping deliver consistent results every single time. The companion app allows you to control cooking modes, monitor progress, and even receive alerts right on your phone. This means no more overcooked meals or constant kitchen supervision. Design-wise, Agari keeps things simple and modern, fitting easily into any kitchen setup. Safety features like auto shut-off and heat protection make it reliable for daily use, even for beginners. It's especially useful for busy professionals, students, or anyone who wants home-cooked food without spending hours in the kitchen. Overall, the Agari-AI Smart Cooker feels like a personal kitchen assistant. It combines smart technology with practical cooking needs, making homemade meals more convenient, stress-free, and enjoyable. Perfect for anyone looking to cook smarter in today's fast-paced lifestyle. Bonic Bot is a glimpse into how personal robotics is quietly becoming part of everyday life. Designed to be friendly, compact, and practical, Bonic Bot focuses on assisting users rather than replacing human effort. At first look, it feels approachable, with smooth movements and a calm presence that makes it easy to trust around homes, offices, or creative spaces. Instead of being just a machine that follows commands, Bonic Bot is built to respond intelligently, learning routines and adapting to the user's needs over time. What makes Bonic Bot stand out is its balance between simplicity and smart behavior. It can help with basic tasks, reminders, and interactive support, while also offering a sense of companionship through natural responses and expressive feedback. This makes it especially appealing for people who want technology that feels less cold and more human. Bonic Bot doesn't try to overwhelm with complexity. Instead, it focuses on being useful, reliable, and easy to interact with. For content creators and tech lovers, Bonic Bot represents the future of everyday AI robots, tools that quietly improve daily life while fitting naturally into our routines. As robotics continues to evolve, Bonic Bot shows how machines can become helpful partners, blending technology with a more personal, human-centered experience.
InMo Air 3 is a glimpse into a future where technology blends naturally into everyday life. These smart glasses are designed to look lightweight and stylish, yet they pack powerful features that make daily tasks easier and more immersive. The first thing you notice is how comfortable they feel, making them suitable for long hours of use without strain. The transparent display floats useful information right in front of your eyes, so you can stay connected without constantly checking your phone. Whether it's notifications, navigation, or real-time translations, everything appears smoothly and clearly. What truly makes InMo Air 3 stand out is its focus on hands-free interaction. With built-in voice control and intuitive gestures, you can access features while walking, working, or traveling. This makes it perfect for professionals, travelers, and tech lovers who want convenience without distraction. The audio experience is equally impressive, delivering clear sound while still allowing you to stay aware of your surroundings. Battery life is optimized for daily use, ensuring the glasses keep up with your routine. Overall, the InMo Air 3 isn't just another gadget. It's a smart companion designed for modern life. It shows how wearable technology can be practical, stylish, and genuinely useful, making it an exciting addition to the world of smart devices. The Canvas One 200CX is a powerful example of how modern engineering is reshaping heavy-duty work with smarter, more efficient machines. Designed to handle demanding environments, this machine blends strength, precision, and reliability into one solid package. From construction sites to industrial operations, the Canvas 1200CX feels built for professionals who need consistent performance without unnecessary complexity. What really stands out about the Canvas 1200CX is how smoothly it balances power and control. Operators can feel confident while handling tough tasks, thanks to its stable build and responsive handling. It's clearly designed with real-world use in mind, reducing operator fatigue and improving overall productivity throughout long working hours. Every movement feels intentional, helping users focus on the job rather than fighting the machine. Durability is another strong point. The Canvas 1200CX is built to withstand harsh conditions, making it a dependable choice for projects that demand endurance and reliability. At the same time, its modern design reflects a focus on efficiency, helping teams get more done while minimizing downtime. In a world where time and performance matter, the Canvas 1200CX positions itself as a smart, dependable solution. It's not just a machine, it's a work partner designed to keep up with today's fast-paced, high-demand industries. Dusty Robotics Field Printer 2 is changing the way construction sites work, bringing speed, accuracy, and clarity to an industry that has long relied on manual layout methods. Instead of crews spending hours measuring, snapping chalk lines, and double-checking drawings, this smart robot takes digital floor plans and prints them directly onto the job site floor with incredible precision. Watching it move smoothly across concrete feels like seeing the future of construction in action. What makes Field Printer 2 truly impressive is how easily it fits into real-world workflows. It uses cloud-based plans, reduces human error, and ensures every wall, doorway, and fixture is placed exactly where it should be. This not only saves time but also cuts down on costly rework, helping projects stay on schedule and within budget. For construction teams, that means less stress and more confidence from day one. Beyond efficiency, Field Printer 2 improves collaboration. Everyone on site can clearly see the layout, making communication between architects, engineers, and builders much simpler. In a fast-moving industry where mistakes are expensive, Dusty Robotics Field Printer 2 proves that smart automation isn't replacing workers. It's empowering them to build better, faster, and smarter than ever before.